Every great story has a beginning. And today, we step into the world of a woman, the moment her life changes forever, though she doesn't even know it yet. It was an ordinary day for her. She laughed with friends, cooked her meals, scrolled through her phone, and went about her routine. But deep inside her body, something extraordinary was already taking place. In her ovary, one tiny egg had matured and was now ready to be released. This moment is called ovulation. It happens only once in a cycle, and it is the perfect opportunity for new life to begin. The egg, so small that it cannot be seen with the naked eye, left the ovary and gently floated into the fallopian tube. There it waited, like a hidden treasure, for a partner to arrive. Meanwhile, during intimacy, millions of sperm were released, each carrying the possibility of creating life. But the journey ahead was not easy. Imagine a marathon where millions begin the race, but only the strongest survive. Out of those millions, many would not even make it past the cervix. Some would lose their way in the uterus. Only a few thousand would push forward, swimming tirelessly toward the fallopian tube where the egg was waiting. As the woman lived her ordinary life, unaware of the microscopic drama unfolding within her, these sperm were locked in the greatest race of all time. Their goal was simple, to reach the egg. Yet only one would succeed. And then, at the perfect moment, it happened. One determined sperm reached the egg and broke through its outer layer. The egg allowed it inside and, in an instant, closed the door to all the others. This was the magical moment of conception. The egg and sperm became one, forming a brand new cell called a zygote. Inside this single cell was all the information needed to create a unique human being, half from the mother, half from the father. Eye color, hair type, even the potential for personality, all of it was already written in the genetic code of this new life. While the woman smiled, worked, and carried on with her day, the tiny zygote began its secret journey. Within hours, it started dividing. From 1 cell to 2, from 2 to 4, from 4 to 8. And so it continued, multiplying again and again as it traveled slowly down the fallopian tube toward the uterus. Over the next few days, this cluster of cells grew stronger, forming what scientists call a blastocyst. It looked like a tiny ball of life, still invisible to the woman, yet carrying the future in its delicate form. Finally, the journey reached its most important step, implantation. The blastocyst gently attached itself to the lining of the uterus. Here, it nestled in, like a seed planting itself in rich soil. This was the beginning of pregnancy. From this point on, the woman was no longer just herself. She was carrying within her the very first spark of new life. She did not yet feel it. She did not yet know it. But deep inside her, a miracle was unfolding. And that is how conception really happens. It is not just a scientific process. It is a breathtaking story of timing, resilience, and miracles. Every mother's journey begins here, with this hidden and incredible chapter.